Subodhayam, welcome all to the seventh batch of certificate course on Sanatan Dharma, organized by Veda Samskriti Samiti in association with Vishwa Yoga Vidyapit. Today we'll be continuing with the Sanskritam language class by Dr. Akale Hemakant Prabhakar Rao garu. We'll start the day with Vande Mataram by Venkat Narayana garu.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं फुल्लकुसुमितद्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
Vande Mataram. ధన్యవాదాలు వెంకటనారాయణ గారు. Now I request Narasimhamurthy garu to do the Pradhana, please.
Yes, sir. Am I visible, sir?
No, your video is not on. Somehow it is not coming.
Should be coming.
Okay, you do the Pradhana. Continue.
I think I should be visible. Oh. So I'll start the Pradhana, sir. 1 minute meditation and 3 times Omkaram. Om. Om. ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्री महागणाधिपतये नमः। ॐ प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्यवतु। ॐ श्री महासरस्वत्यै नमः। गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुनैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मां पाहि गुरो। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्यदेवो भव अतिथिदेवो भव ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ
ఓకే, ధన్యవాదాలు నరసింహమూర్తి గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ది ప్రార్థన. నౌ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ వెంకటనారాయణ గారు టు డూ ది సంగీతం, సంస్కృత గీతం ప్లీజ్.
पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम् संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् केयूरान विजयन्ति पुरुषं हारान चन्द्रोज्ज्वलाः न स्नानन्न विलेपनन्न कुसुमम् नालङ्कृता मूर्धजाः वाण्येकासमलङ्करोति पुरुषं या संस्कृता धार्यते क्षीयन्ते खलु भूषणानि सततम् वाग्भूषणं भूषणं वाग्भूषणं भूषणम्.
ధన్యవాదాలు వెంకటనారాయణ గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. నౌ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ప్రభాకర్ రావు గారు టు స్టార్ట్ ది వెబినార్ ప్లీజ్.
हरिः ओम्. नमस्ते, सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतम्. इदानीं वयं संस्कृतपाठम् आरम्भं कुर्मः. प्रथमं पाठं शेर् करोमि.
It does not come.
That's what I'm seeing. Screen is sharing, is showing sharing, but it's not coming. Okay. Let me take it. Is it showing now?
No, it is coming. I think it not come yet. Yeah, it's lesson number 12.
Yes, thank you. Sarvebhyah swagatam. Now, last class we started this lesson and we come up to 12th first Krudantam, Krudantas. See, as you are aware, the verb is two types. One is Lakar Krudantas, Lakar Kriyas, another is Krudanta Kriyas. Lakar Kriyas are with the suffix of Tigantas. Patati, Likhati, Apatat, Padishyati, Patatu, like that. They are Lakar Kriyas, they are Pradhana Kriyas. And second set of Kriyas are Krudantas. Krudantas means after adding Krudanta Prachayam, the Dhatu Rupam becomes Namavachakam. Noun form it takes. Shabda Rupam. It is not Kriya Rupam, Shabda Rupam. But it gives the meaning of Kriya in certain aspects only. So in that we have learned one Tavatu Prachayam, which is equivalent to Bhutakalam. Patitavan is equal to Apatat. Gatavan is equal to Agachat. Like that. Likitavan is equal to Alikhat. Like that. So now there is second Prachayam we are learning now, that is Tva Prachayam. If we add Pat plus Tva, it becomes Patitva. When a person is doing two works, when a person has done one work and gone to second work, then the first work, or to say that he has done the first work and gone to doing second work now, we have to add both the kriyas in the sentence. For that purpose, the karta will be same. The subject, the karta will be same. But there are two works involved there. One he has completed, another he is doing now. So to say that the Tva Prachayam is used. So, Aham Kriditva Patami. Here the person has completed the krida, playing. Then he is doing reading. So, I study after playing, that means. Aham Kriditva Patami. Krid plus Tva, Kriditva. Saha Sthitva Gayati. Stha plus Tva, Sthitva. Saha Sthitva Gayati. He is standing and then singing. So, standing work is completed. Now he is doing singing. Amba Pakam Kurtva Pariveshayati. She did the cooking, completed the cooking, and now he is serving. Now, Chora Kurtva, Kru plus Tva, Kurtva. Then, Chora Arachkam Društva Dhavitavan. Yes, the Choraha, after seeing police, he started running. So, that means Društva is equal to Pasyati, becomes Drus plus Tva, Društva. Pasyati Dhatu is Drus. Drus plus Tva is Društva. Next, Yesha Patham Patitva Nidram Karoti. Pat plus Tva, Patitva. After reading, sleeping. She is sleeping. That person, female person is sleeping. Saha Shalam Gatva Patati. Gam plus Tva, Gantva. Gachati Dhatu is Gam. Gam plus Tva, Gatva. Next, Aham Chiram Pitva Nidram Karomi. Pibati becomes Dhatu P. P plus Tva, Piktva. Pitva Nidram Karoti. Pa plus Tva, Pa Dhatu. Pa plus Tva, Pitva. Then Snatva Pujan Karoti. Snanam Kurtva Pujan Karoti. Ardhat. Then Aham Ardham Gnatva. Gna plus Tva, Gnatva. Srutva. Sru plus Tva, Srutva. Prishtva. Prich plus Tva, Prishtva. Then Smrutva. Smru plus Tva, Smrutva. Then Patitva. Pat plus Tva, Tva, Patitva. Grih plus Tva, Gruhitva. Chorayati. Choraya plus Tva, Chorayatva. Vad plus Tva, Vuktva. Khad plus Tva, Khaditva. Vand plus Tva, Vanditva. So like that, the Dhatu plus Tva gives the meaning of the work completed. And then second Kriya will be the either Vartamana Kalam or Bhutakalam or Bhavishyat Kalam, anything will be there. And doesn't matter for this. The nature of this Tva Prachayam is, it is Avyayam. It doesn't change in any type of sentence. Whether you change Ekavachanam, Devachanam, whether you change Karta into Ekavachanam, when you use Karta as Ekavachana Karta, Dvivachana Karta, Bahuvachana Karta, Pullinga Karta, Strilinga Karta, Napunsaka Karta, or if you use a Bhutakala Vakyam, second Bhutakala Kriya, or Vartamana Kala Kriya, or Bhavishyat Kala Kriya, or Lotlakara Kriya, whatever Kriya you use, whatever Karta is used, this Tva Prachaya Sabdam will not change in the sentence. That's why it's called Avyayam. It doesn't change, it doesn't have Vikaras. It doesn't change and the meaning is same always, completing that work. So the Tva application is completing the work that is indicating by that Dhatu. So that is the Tva Prachaya rule. Now, There is another place. This we last class we have studied. Now we are repeating. Just recapitulated it. Now if we go to the second dhatu, second kriya, krudanta, third krudanta. I mean, first krudanta tavatu, second krudanta tva, third krudanta is lyap. This lyap is also application similar to tva. The lyap application is similar to tva. That means the work that is completed is being told with this lyap prachayam. Then what is the difference between twa to lep then? When both are same, why not use twa itself? Why should you use lep? The lep is used when there is upasarga in the dhatu. If it is pure dhatu, only single dhatu, then twa is to be used. But if dhatu is added with upasarga, we learned upasargas, right? When upasarga is there in the kriya that is used, then you have to use lepantam, not twantam. For example, gacchati is there. Gacchati without upasarga. Gam dhatu. Going. Gacchati means going. For that we have to use twa. Gam plus twa, gatva. Gacchati becomes, that work is completed. Well, after going. Gatva. Then agacchati. Agacchati has got upasarga. Gacchati, before that a is there. Agacchati means coming. Agacchati means coming. So when you want to use completion of coming work, after coming, how to say after coming? So the after coming is saying that agatya, not agatva. It's not agatva. Because upasarga is there. Wherever upasarga is there, why we'll learn later, not now. That is Vyakarana rules. They have been like that. So whenever you have a upasarga in the dhatu, for the same application of tva, you have to use lep prachayam, not tva prachayam. So now let us see some of the dhatus application in the vakyam. Arakshakaha choram anusrutya gatavan. In this, what is dhatu? Sar dhatu. Sarati is the kriya. But if you add an to that, anusarati, it becomes anusarati. When you add upasarga to that, anusarati. Anusarati means following. Sarati means crawling. When you are saying after crawling, then you have to use surtva. But when you say after following, then you have to say anusrutya. Anusrutya. So what is the difference you are getting here? There tva, y is coming. Here ya is coming. Srutya. Yakaram is coming. That is the identification of the lep prachayam. So anusrutya gatavan. Arakshakaha choram anusrutya gatavan. Following the thief, the police went. So what he did? He went. That is the work he did. But after what? After following. That after following is anusrutya. Similarly, choraha dhanam apahritya dhavitavan. The choraha, the thief, ran away. Bhotakala kriya. Dhavitavan. Bhotakala kriya. But when he ran away? After stealing. The stealing, what is the kriya? Apahritya. After stealing, apaharati is the stealing. After stealing, apahritya. Stealing is apaharati. After stealing, apahritya. So choram dhanam apahritya dhavitavan. Shastram abhyasya saha panditaha abhavat. Abhyasya. Up is a upasarga here. Bhyas is the dhatu there. So abhyasya becomes the lepanta prachayam there. Similarly, bhaktaha devaya bhaktaha. There's some mistake in there. Bhaktaha devaya pushpani samarpya gatavan. Arpayati samarpayati. Arpayati becomes base dhatu kriya. Samarpayati becomes upasarga purak kriya. When you are using after completing samarpayati, After Samarpayati. If you want to use after Samarpayati, then you would say Samarpya. Samarpya Gatavan. Similarly, others. Avatirya. Avatarati. Avatirya. Akrishya. Karshati. Akrishya. Nirvapya. Nirvapayati. Nirvapya. Asritya. Ashrayati. Asritya. Utpadayati. Utpadya. Utthāsyati. Utthāpya. Utthishtati. Utthāya. Utthishtati. Utthāya. Upavishati. Upavishya. Prakshalayati. Prakshalya. Alankaroti. Alankritya. Vrishnikaroti. Vrishnikritya. Vyayikaroti. Vyayikrutya. All these things are having upasargas. Vyayikaroti has got Vyay. Vyayikaroti. So, Vyayikrutya. Vrishnikaroti. Vishna is there. Alankaroti. Alam is there. Al is there. Prakshalya. Pra is there. Upavishite. Upa is there. Uddhasite. Ut is there. Utpadayate. Ut is there. Asritya. A is there. Nirvapya. Ni is there. Akrishya. A is there. Upasarga. They are all the upasargas. Avatirya. Ava is there. So when this upasarga is there, then we have to use leprachayam for the same application of tvaprachayam. So tvaprachayam and leprachayam are used when you want to say that one person has completed the first work. With leprachayam you have to say, or tvaprachayam you have to say. Tvaprachayam is used for a dhatu which doesn't have upasarga. Leprach is used for a dhatu which has got upasarga. Both the applications will give same meaning, completing that work. So now let us go to some of the things here we learn. Pariharati, Parihurutya, Samarpayati, Samarpya, Arohati, Aruhya, Upavishati, Upavishya, Prakshalayati, Prakshalya, like that. Now we have got another Krudantam. We are going to learn another Krudantam. This is also Avyayam. But here, this is not completed the work. This is the work that is going to be done. We are doing some work now for doing some other work later. So this is intention, uddesham. There is no completion here. There is only intention is there. I want to do some work. For that I am doing this work now. So to say that what work you are going to do also be told. You are saying this work for doing that work. I am going to Upahara Mandiram. For what for you are going? To eat Palaharam there. So to eat. Khaditum gacchami. I am going now. What for I am going? Gacchami. I am going. Aham gacchami. I am going. Kimartham gacchati? Khaditum. Tuman Prachayam. It is called Tuman Prachayam. Khad plus Tuman, Khaditum. So this Tuman Prachayam gives the intention for Kriya. This is also Asamapa Kriya, Asampurna Kriya, and Avyayam. So all these Tvantam, Lepantam, Tumantam, all the three Kriyas are Avyayas and Asamapa Kriyas, Apradhana Kriyas, Asampurna Kriyas. If we use this sentence, if we use this in sentence, the 10th sentence will not complete. It only indicates you have done this job or you are going to do this job and you are doing some other job now. That's what it indicates. And the person should be same, doing both the jobs. These are the rules required. So in such case only you have to use these prachayas. So, Udaharana, Gam plus Tuman, Gantum. Pat plus Tuman, Patitum. Aham Patitum Gacchami. I go to study. I am going now. What for? To read. Why do I go to study? Patitum. Saha Prastum, Drashtum Agachat. Agachat. He went to see. What for did he go? To see. So now let us read the sentences. Sah videsham gantum ichchati. He is liking now. What he is liking? To go. What for? That is the karma for that. The gantum has got a karma. Videsham. Kimardham gantum, kutra gantum, videsham. That kutra gantum gives the karma for that subject, for that kriya. Tvantam, labantam, or tumantam will have a karma shabdam also. The kriya, the karta shabdam will be the same as the second kriya. The same karta will be the karta for this kriya also, but karma will be maybe different, will be different also. So, videsham gantum ichchati. Videsham is the karma shabdam for gantum, not for ichchati. Yesha patitum vidyalayam gacchati. Patitum is for patitum. Yesha vidyalayam gacchati. Vidyalayam is karma for gacchati, not for patitum. Pustakam patitum. Saha yesha pustakam patitum vidya paఠం yesha జ్ఞానం పఠితం వారు పుస్తకం పఠితం విద్యాలయం గచ్చతి. Let us take pustakam. Pustakam is the karma for the పఠితం శబ్దం. Vidyalayam is the karma for the gacchati శబ్దం. Gacchati kriya. So this also will have karma శబ్దం. Either gatva or agachya or gatva, agachya or gantum. All the three asamapa kriyas will have karma shabdam attached to it. There will be some karma. You may say or you may not say. Sometimes it may become ajyaharam, but it will be there. Iyam geetam gatum uttishtati. Gatum, to sing. What to sing? Geetam. So bhakta devam vanditum devalayam gacchati. Now he is going to devalayam. But what for? Vanditum. Kam vanditum. Evarini? Whom he is going to pray? Devam. Devam is karma for this. Ditya vibhakti there. Aham kriditum kridanganam gacchami. Kridanganam gacchami. Kimadham? Kriditum. Kriditum will have karma. Which play you want to play? That play will go into the play name of the play will go into the karma shabdam. Amba pattum mahanasam pasyati. Bhojanam pattum. Bhojanam will be the karma for pattum. Mahanasam is the karma for pravishati. Mahanasam is not pravishati. Pravishati, mahanasam pravishati. Mahanasam is the karma for pravishati. Saha khaditum upaharamandiram gacchati. Khaditum, karma is not shown here. Which khaditum? Palaharam khaditum, you can say, or upaharam khaditum. Upaharam will be the karma for khaditum. But upahara mandiram is the karma for gacchati. So khaditum is the tuman prachayam, which shows that he is going for eating. For eating. To eating, khaditum has come. So similarly, jayam praptum vegena dhavati. Sarve chitram drashtum icchanti. Chitram. Vayam aranyam drashtum gacchamaha. Snanam kartum jalameva nasti. Simha jalam patum nadim gacchati. Saha snanam nadim gatavan. Snatum nadim gatavan. To do bath. To take bath, he went to nadi. He went to river. Aham sangeetam srotum ichchami. Sangeetam srotum ichchami. Srotum ichchami. Sa katham lekhitum ichchati. Chhatraha prashnam prashtum udjuktaha. Kah dirghakalam jeevitum na ichchati. Pita katham vaktum ichchati. Sigram uddhatum prayatnam kuru. Sa notanam satikam dhartum ichchati. You see all the sentences, some are in Madhyama Purusha Karta, some are in Uttama Purusha Karta, some are in Pradhama Purusha Karta. Some are in Pullinga Karta, some are in Strilinga Karta, some are in Napusaka Karta. And having two dhatus always. One is in Tuban, another is the either Vartamana Kalam or Bhuta Kalam or Bhavishyat Kalam, like that. So, in spite of the variation in Kalas, in spite of variation in Kartas, this Prachayam doesn't have any change in the shape. That's why it is Abhyayam. Okay? Aham Paditum Gacchami, Saha Drashtum Agachat. Certain Shabdas will have a different style of application. Nayati, Netum. It doesn't say Nayatum. It will be Netum because it goes to the Mola Dhatu. From Mola Dhatu with some sandhis and other things, that new Rupam will come. It may not be exactly same Rupam for all the things. So, Nayati, Netum, Pachati, Pattum. We have learned in the earlier lessons that the Dhatus are 10 types of Gana Dhatus are there, right? So, each Dhatu will have different type of Dhatu. Each Kriya, each type of Gana will have different type of Dhatu. So, based on the type of Dhatu, the Rupams change. So, Nayati, Netum, Pachati, Pattum, Namati, Nantum, Gayati, Gatum, Pasyati, Drashtum. Pasyati Dhatu is Dras, Drashtum. Likhati, Lekhitum, Gacchati, Gantum, Gacchati Dhatu is Gam. Milati, Melitum, Prukshati, Prastum. Pivati, Patum, Tishtati, Sthatum. Tishtati Dhatu is Stha. Echati Dhatum, Echati Dhatu is Da. So, like this. Now, any doubts now at this stage? There you go. Any doubt?
Students are supposed to ask the doubts, please, in case you have any on this lesson.
Because we are going to next subject. If you have got doubts, you have to ask here. You may not remember at that time, at the end. Did you understand or not the concepts? You
Yes,
understand?
sir.
or
I
not?
understood.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, they have understood, yeah.
Next, let's go to next lesson. Sma Prayogam. The
Sir,
Sma
one
Prayogam.
small doubt, sir.
Madhvajaji, yeah, boliye.
Sir,
Please tell me.
Samarpya. Samarpya. Which will be the root word for that, sir? Dhatu.
Arpayati, Arpayati,
Sarpa.
Arpayati,
Okay, sir.
Samarpayati. Arpayati,
Okay.
Samarpayati.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Astu. The Sma Prayogam. The Sma Prayogam is, it indicates Bhuta Vartamana Kala. You used to do some job past. You were doing at that time, not now. Maybe or may not be. Maybe doing or may not be doing. But you were doing at that time, long back or some time back in the past. So when you want to express that thought, what you say is you tell the Kriya in Vartamana Kala Rupam and then add Sma. By adding Sma, it indicates that was running at that time, in the past. So Gopalaha Abhinayam Karoti Sma. He may be doing Abhinayam, he may not be doing Abhinayam now. But he was doing Abhinayam long back, some time back. Not long back, some time back. Now we are saying that Gopala used to do Abhinayam. That's what we are saying. He used to do Abhinayam. Abhinayam Karoti Sma. Te Bhajanam Kurvanti Sma. They were doing Bhajanam earlier. Maybe they must have stopped now. You can say that way. So, Aham Nrutyam Karomi Sma. I was doing dancing. Earlier. So, all these things, Karoti, Kurvanti, Karomi, all these Vartamana Kala Kriyas. Ekvachanam, Bahuvachanam. And Pranama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, like that. But the Sma is indicating the work is not being done now. The work was being done earlier. It was being done. So, Ta Vijnanam Patayanti Sma. He was telling science in the past. He was teaching science in the past. Vayam Asacham Vadamaha Sma. We were telling untruth, lies earlier. Tvam Gayasi Sma. You were singing at that time. You are asking a question or you are telling also. Tvam Gayasi Sma. You were singing. You used to sing, right? That's what we ask. Then how do you say that? Tvam Gayasi Sma? Like that. The Sma Prayogam indicates that the Karta is in the sentences used to do the work that is indicated in the sentences in present tense, Vartamana Kalaha. But Gopala Abhinayam Karoti Sma. Sma indicates both the Vartamana Kala. That is indicated in the sentences in present. This sentence, the Kriya that is indicated, the work that is indicated in the sentence in present tense. That is the point you should know. The Karoti is in present tense. In this sentence, Gopala Karta Abhinayam Karoti is acting. When we add Sma to the verb Karoti, that gives meaning as Gopala used to act in the past. Now he may act or may not. Please note Sma to be always used along with a verb in the present tense. Along with the present verb in the present tense, you have to use Sma to say that the work was being done earlier. Now, Moda Jambukaha is the story we are going. Ekaha Jambukaha asti. Always we should put a question on the Kriya. What is Kriya here? Anybody? What is verb here?
Asti.
Asti, sir.
Asti. Kaha asti?
Jambukaha.
Ekaha Jambukaha asti. Saha ekada aharardham vane bhramati. What is Kriya here?
Bhramati.
Bhramati. Kaha bhramati?
Vane.
Jambukaha.
Kaha bhramati means not Hindi.
Vane
Kaha
Bhramati.
means not
Vane
where.
Bhramati.
It is here who. Kaha bhramati.
Jambuka.
Saha bhramati. Saha bhramati. Saha kaha.
Jambukaha.
Saha kaha. Saha Jambukaha. Here Jambukaha is not there here. Saha ekada aharardham vane bhramati. Kaha bhramati. Saha bhramati. Saha, next question is Saha kaha. Saha Jambukaha. That is from the past question, earlier sentence. Saha Jambukaha. Saha Jambukaha. Now question, sentence will be Saha Jambukaha ekada aharardham vane bhramati. So kutra bhramati. Next question is kutra bhramati. Jambukaha kutra bhramati.
Vane.
Jambuka vane bhramati. Vane shabdam is in saptami vibhakti. Vane in the vanam. Jambuka vane bhramati. Jambukaha kimardham vane bhramati. Next question. Kimardham bhramati. Aharardham. Jambuka aharardham vane bhramati. Ekatra saha drakshalatam pasyati. What is the kriya here?
Pashyati.
Pasyati. Saha Jambukaha kim pasyati?
Drakshalatam.
Why I used kam is Drakshalata is Strilinga Sabdam. You have to go question in the Strilinga Rupam only. Kam pasyati. Saha Jambukaha kim pasyati also gives the same answer at this stage for you. But after learning the linga and all those things, you should say this kam pasyati. Saha Jambukaha kam pasyati. Drakshalatam pasyati. Kam pasyati. Drakshalatam pasyati.
Drakshalatam pasyati.
Pasyati. Drakshalatam which vibhakti?
Dvitiya vibhakti.
Dvitiya vibhakti. Yes. Saha good. Saha Jambukaha drakshalatam kutra pasyati?
Vane pasyati.
No, in the sentence what is there? In the
Ekatra.
sentence, correct. What is but in the sentence what is there? Ekatra.
Ekatra.
Ekatra pasyati. Ekatra pasyati. Ekatra saha drakshalatam pasyati. Kutra pasyati? Ekatra pasyati. Saha Jambukaha ekatra drakshalatam pasyati. Latayam anekani drakshaphalani santi. What is the kriya here?
Santi.
Anti.
Latayam kani santi. Kani. Why I use kani? Because drakshaphalam is the napunsaka sabdam.
Napumsaka.
That is in uchvachanam, bahuvachanam. So napunsaka saptarshanavachakam is kim. Kim ke kani. Bahuvachanam. Kim shabdasya bahuvachanam kani. So I have to put question in bahuvachanam. Kani santi. Latayam kani santi. Latayam drakshaphalani santi. Latayam kati drakshaphalani santi. How many?
Anekani.
Anekani. Latayam anekani drakshaphalani santi. So what is the prashna? Kati. Kati means anekani. Answer is anekani. Kati means how many? Anekani means answer for that.
Anekani.
Tani pakwani. Next sentence. Tani, they are all fructified. They are all
Right.
fundamental.
Right.
They are
Right.
fructified. ripened. They're all ripened.
Yes.
Tani pakwani. Then Prashna will be Kani pakwani. Tani pakwani. Why Kani? Because Tani is Bahuvachanam for Tat. Tatphalam, Tani phalani. Tatphalam Ekavachanam, Tani phalani Bahuvachanam. So, Kim phalam, Tat Tani phalam, Tatphalam, Tani phalam. So, Kim pakwani, Kani pakwani. Kim pakwani for one fruit answer. Kani pakwani for many. Tani pakwani. Kani pakwani, Tani pakwani. So, Tani Kani, what are those? Tani Kani. What are they?
Draksha phalani.
Tani Draksha phalani.
Tani Draksha phalani.
Jambukaha chintayati. Now inverted commas. Adya mama Draksha phalanam bhojanam. Draksha phalanam sashti vibhakti bahuvachanam. Draksha phalamala yokka bhojanam. The Draksha phalas are bhojanam for me. The fruits, the Draksha fruits are my bhojanam. So, mama sashti vibhakti. Aham shabdasya sashti vibhakti. Ma adya, today. Adya mama Draksha phalanam bhojanam. My bhojanam is Draksha phalam. Iti. Kaha chintayati? Jambuka kim chintayati? Adya mama Draksha phalanam, inverted commas close.
Iti
Inverted commas
Jambukaha
close.
chintayati.
Iti Jambukaha chintayati. Iti, you should not forget iti. Iti Jambukaha chintayati. So, Draksha labdhum, to get Draksha, upari utpatati, next sentence. To get that Draksha, what he did, he just jumped up. He just jumped up. So, kaha utpatati, utpati means jump up. So, kaha utpatati,
Upari.
kaha. Kaha utpatati.
Jambukaha.
Jambukaha upari utpatati. Jambukaha kimardham utpatati.
Draksha phalani labdhum.
Draksha phalani.
Draksha phalani labdham upari utpatati. Okay. Kintu Draksha phalani na prapnoti. Draksha phalani na prapnoti. Kintu Jambukaha kani na prapnoti. Kani.
Draksha phalani.
Draksha phalani na prapnoti. Phalani na prapnoti. Kintu Jambukaha Draksha phalani na prapnoti. Okay. Draksha also should add here. If you write phalani also, it's wrong, but Draksha phalani is complete answer. Draksha phalani na prapnoti. Jambukaha punaha panaha utpatati. Punaha means what? Again and again. So, Jambukaha punaha utpatati. Jambukaha kim karoti? Punaha utpatati. Jambukaha punaha utpatati. Tathapi, tatha plus api, even then. Even then. Then is tada. Tatha api, even then. Even then, phalani na prapnoti. Jambukaha phalani prapnoti va? Question. Va kim also both are questions we learned earlier, right? Jambukaha phalani prapnoti va? Na. Jambukaha phalani na prapnoti. Na. Jambukaha phalani na prapnoti. Jambukaha kupitaha bhavati. Kupitaha means angry. Katham. Katha. Krodha. Jambukaha katham bhavati. Jambukaha kupitaha bhavati. Katham is the Krishnavachi here. When you put katham, it gives adverb. Answer is adverb. How the Jambuka is? Jambuka was kupitaha. This is adverb for the how it stayed there. How it is. What is the condition of Jambuka at that time? Kupitaha. Kupitaha bhavati. Saha tani draksha phalani doshayati. Saha kaha doshayati? Kaha doshayati?
Jambukaha.
Saha Jambukaha doshayati. Saha doshayati. Saha kaha? Saha Jambukaha. So saha Jambukaha doshayati. Jambukaha kani doshayati?
Draksha phalani.
Draksha phalani doshayati. Pha. Jambukaha tani draksha phalani doshayati. Draksha, those draksha phalas. Jambukaha tani draksha phalani doshayati. First what he told? Phalani pakwani. Now what he says? They are bad. Doshayati. Amlani. Jambukah drakshabalani amlani iti doshayati. Earlier he told pakwani. Now he is saying amlani. So dachakaha, jambukah drakshabalani amlani iti doshayati. Anantaram swasthanam gacchati. Jambukah kim katham doshayati? This question. Jambukah kim katham. Kim also you can say, katham also you can say. Katham doshayati. Jambukah drakshabhalani amlani iti doshayati. Why you should use iti? Because you are using a direct speech.
Yeah, direct.
Whenever you are using a direct speech in inverted commas, you have to use iti. Anantaram swasthanam gacchati. Anantaram jambukah kim karoti or kutra gacchati, both are correct. Kim karoti or kutra gacchati. Kim karoti swasthanam gacchati. Anantaram jambukah swasthanam gacchati. Kutra gacchati swasthanam gacchati. Both are same. Okay. So now that's all. Now we come to the here. The last is not visible here because this I will close it. Okay. So here, now if you see some words now, Keshaha, Kapolaha, Voshtaha, Dantaha, Karnaha, all these things you know. So the names are given here. You can read this and understand. Koshaha, He, Kopala, Cheek, Voshtaha. All these things, Keshaha, Kapolaha, Voshtaha, Dantaha, please understand the meanings. Karnaha, Kantaha, Skandaha, Bhujaha, Hastaha, all these things are Akaranta Sabdas. And all are having Visarga. All are having Pullinga Sabdas. Akaranta Pullinga Sabdas. What is the sample Sabdam for all these Sabdas?
Rama.
Rama.
So if we learn Rama Sabdam, all these Sabdas are known. If we learn 7 vibhaktis for Rama, the same is to be applied for all these Sabdas. There are 11 Sabdas are there. How many? From 1.13 to 8 Sabdas are there. All these things will depend on Rama Sabda. How Rama Sabda behaves? Ramaha, Rama, Ramaha, Bhujaha, Bhujau, Bhujaha, Hastaha, Hastaha, like that. Similarly, Nakham. Nakham is Napuska Sabdam. This Akaranta Napuska Sabda, just like Gnana Sabdam. Gnanam, Gnani, Gnanani, Nakham, Nakhe, Nakhani, like that. Again, Padaha, Akaranta Pullinga Sabda. Uruhu, Ukaranta Pullinga Sabda. Ukaranta Pullinga Sabda goes as per Guru Sabdam. Guru, Guravaha. Guru, Guravaha. Guru Ekavachanam, Guru Divachanam.
Guru.
Guru, Guravaha. Guru, Guravaha. Two. Divachanam is Guru, Guravaha. Sorry. Guru, Guravaha. Guru, Dirgham. Guru Ekavachanam. Guru, Dirgham, Divachanam. Guravaha, Bahuvachanam. Guru, Guravaha. He Guru, He Guravaha. Gurum, Gurun, Nagar. Gurun.
Yeah, that's what I. Yeah.
Gurun.
Sir, there is only one Guru Shabdam, sir.
Uh,
Only one Guru Shabdam in Pullinga Ukaranta Shabdam, or do we have Napunsakalinga also?
Napunsakalinga
Sir,
also
Guru
is there. Madhu Sabdam is
Oh,
there.
okay.
Guruna, Gurubhyam, Gurubhihi, Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha, Guroho, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha, Guroho, Gurvaha, Gurunam, Gurau, Gurvaha, Gurushu. So here the difference you find here from Rama Sabdam to this here, when you come to first Pradhama Ekavachanam, Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. He Guru, He Rama, He Guru. He Guru, He Guravaha. Then Gurum, Ramam, Gurum. Ramau, Guru. Raman, Gurun. Okay. Then Ramena, Guruna. Ramabhyam, Gurubhyam. Ramaihi, Gurubihi. So when only Akaran Sabda will have Aihi. In Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. All other Sabdas, Strilingam, Pullingam, Ikarantam, Ukarantam, Rukarantam, all those things will have Bihi. Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha, Guroho, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha, The Chaturthi Vibhakti, Panchami Vibhakti, always bhyaha will come. That I told already earlier also. Now, in Ekavachanam, Panchami Vibhakti, Shashti Vibhakti, except Akarant Sabdam, Rama Sabdam, all other Sabdas will have only one, same. One type only. Panchami and Shashti Ekavachanam will be always same. Guroho. Gurau, Saptami Vibhakti. Gurvaha, Gurushu. So,
Sir,
one more thing, important thing to be noted is, in all these Sabdas, Divachanam, Divachanam, Prathama Bhakti, Ditya Bhakti, same always. And Sambodhana also. Hey, only Hey is added. Guru. Prathama Bhakti, Ditya Bhakti, always same for Divachanam. In all these Sabdas, irrespective of any Antam, any Lingam, Namvachakam, Sarvanama also, Sankhya also, all Divachanam, Prathama Bhakti, Ditya Bhakti, always same. And Tritiya Bhakti, Chaturthi, Panchami, always same for all the Sabdas. And it comes with Bhyam. The root word plus the Bhyam. Guru plus Bhyam. Guru plus Bhyam. Guru plus Bhyam. Bhyam will come for any Sabda. And then in Shashti, Saptami, Divachanam, always same. But the Rupam will be different for different Antas. Akarantam will be different. Ukarantam will be different. Ikarantam will be different. Ikarantam comes Haryoho. Ukarantam is Gurvoho. Gurvaha kaadu. Gurvoho. Guroho, Gurvaha, Guroho, Gurunam. This is correct. Guroho.
that is Guru, sir. Yeah. Guru.
Guroho.
Yeah, Guru.
Gurvaha kaadu. Gurvoho.
Guru.
Guruvoho, Gurunam. Gurau, Gurvoho, Gurushu. So, Adi with the Hariyoho. Hari Shabdam, Hariyoho. Last Shabdam we are told. Pati, Patyoho.
Yeah.
Patyoho.
Patyo.
Hariyoho. Guru, Guruvoho. Rama, Ramayoho.
Ramayoho.
Rama Shabdam, Ramayoho. Like that. So, now Madhu Shabdam is Napus Shabdam here. Ukaranta Madhu Shabdam. Madhuni. He Madhuni. Madhuni. Napuska Sabdam always, Prathama Bhakti, Ditya Bhakti, always same. For all Sabdas. Napuska Sabdam. Madhuna, Madhubhyam, Madhubihi. Tritiya Bhakti Bahuvachanam, always same. Bhihi will come with Bhihi for all the Sabdas except Rama Sabdam. Except Akaranta Sabdam. Akaranta Rama Sabdam. Akaranta Napuska Sabdam also. Except Akaranta Sabdam, all other Anta Sabdas, Tritiya Bhakti Bahuvachanam ends with Bhi. Pratipadika Rupam plus Bhi. Madhu plus Bhi. Chaturthi Panchami, Madhu plus Bhyaha. Always. So, Pratipadika Rupam, Bhyaha will come. Chaturthi and Panchami Bahuvachanam. Here, Madhuna, Madhubhyam, Madhubihi. Madhune, Madhubhyam, Madhubhyaha. Madhuna, Madhubhyam, Madhubhyaha. Madhunaha, Madhunoho, Madhunam. Madhunaha. Prathama Bhakti, Panchami Bhakti, Shashti Bhakti, Ekavachanam, always same. Madhuni, Madhunoho, Madhushu. Next. Nakaranta Napusha, the Karman Sabdam. Karma, Karmani. He Karmani. Karma, Karmani. Karmana, Karmabhyam, Karmabhihi. Karmane, Karmabhyam, Karmabhyaha. Karmanaha, Karmabhyam, Karmabhyaha. Karmanaha, Karmanoho. Karmanam. Karmani, Karmanoho. Karmasu. So, Saptami Bahuvachanam always either Shu or Su will come. These things please remember. Then anything you can understand now by this. Here all those things, Sabdas given and its Rupam is given or Mula Sabdam is given. Nakam, Gnana Sabdam. Padaha, Rama Sabdam. Suvuruhu, Guru Sabdam. Nasika, Srilinga Sabdam, Rama Sabdam. Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Last class we learned this. Jihva, Rama Sabdam. Anguli, Ikaranta, Gauri Sabdam. Last class we learned. Mastakam, Gnana Sabdam. Lalatam, Gnana Sabdam. Netram, Gnana Sabdam. Mukham, Gnana Sabdam. Vadanam, Gnana Sabdam. Vakshastalam, Gnana Sabdam. Raktam, Gnana Sabdam. Charma, Karman Sabdam. Charman, Nakaran Sabdam. Charman, Nakaran Sabdam. Janu, Guru Sabdam. Or Madhu Sabdam. Both you can use. Janu. Pullingam, Strilingam. Guru Sabdam you can use, Madhu Sabdam also you can use. Charma, Gnana Sabdam, Karman Sabdam you can use. Nakaranta Napus Sabdam. So like that, we have to understand this Padavibhag. Next, we will go to next lesson, 13th lesson. We have some time, right? Another half an hour is there. Any questions at this point?
Sir, for Saptami and Shashti Bahuvachanam, sometimes it is a Nam and sometimes it is Nam. And sometimes it is Su and
Na comes
sometimes
based
it is
on
Su.
the, if the Sabdam is having Rakaram or Rukaram or Shakaram, then the subsequent Nakaram will become a Nakara.
Okay.
And when it will
Same
become, when
with
it will not become, you will learn later. But that is the idea. Okay?
Oh.
When there is either Rakaram or Shakaram or Rukaram before Nakaram in the Sabdam, that Nakaram to be written as Ena, Ramena, Guru Na, Guru Na, Guru Na. But Madhu, Madhuna. There is no Ra, there is no Ru, there is no Sha there. Madhuna. Whereas Guru, Guruna. Hari, Harina. Rama, Ramena. Ramanam. Gurunam. Harinam. Madhunam. Because there is no nimittam. The cause is not there. When cause is there, that will change. But there are certain cases it doesn't change because some in between letters stop it. That stopping letters, which are the stopping letters, we learn later. Now you get confused if you learn now. Okay?
Okay.
If that is not written, you understand that there is some stoppage letter in between.
Okay. Okay.
Now let us go to the next lesson. Are you seeing it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we are going to a new chapter, new prayogam. And this is required for beginners. Mainly the people who, the other language people, other Sanskritam, Hindi and Telugu, who 90%, where 70-60% words of Sanskritam only there, those languages. Those people, for it is very easy to absorb this. See, Balakaha Adhyayanam Karoti. What he is doing? Adhyayanam. His Adhyayanam is Kriya or not?
Kriya.
But he is in Kriya Rupam now.
No.
No, sir.
Not Kriya Rupam. It is in Namvachaka Rupam, right? Balakaha Adhyayanam Karoti. Actually, it is not Kriya Rupam, but it is Kriya. Reading, learning is a Kriya, right? Abhyasam Chaitam. Learning, Abhyasam is Kriya. Adhyayanam. Adhyayanam is reciting, all those things will come under Adhyayanam. Veda Adhyayanam. We don't say Veda Pathanam. Veda Pathanam is only just reading. Veda Adhyayanam is something different. Adhyayanam has got a higher level of Pathanam. So, Balakaha Adhyayanam Karoti. Munihi Upadesham Karoti. Vikrayakaha Vikrayanam Karoti. Pachakaha Pakam Karoti. What is Vibhakti here? Adhyayanam, Upadesham, Vikrayanam, Pakam. Karta, Karma, Kriya.
Karma. Sorry.
Karma.
Yeah.
What is Vibhakti for Karma in Kartari
Karma.
Prayoga?
Karma.
What is the karta karma vibhakti?
Ditya.
Ditya vibhakti. All these things are Ditya vibhakti.
Yeah.
It's a Kriya Rupam, Kriya in Namvachaka Rupam in Ditya vibhakti. It's Kriya only. Karoti is only just adding, do. What he is doing? Reading. You say reading. What you are doing, what he is doing is reading. That reading gives what? Ajjayanam. Karoti gives only reading, that's all, doing. Do dhatu. So balakaha ajjayanam karoti, munihi upadesham karoti, vikrekaya vikranam karoti, चोरः पलायनं करोति पाचकः पाकं करोति सः शयनं कृतवान् इति भूतकालं चोरः पलायनं कृतवन्तः भूतकालं बहुवचनवाक्यं शयनं कृतवान् जनाः सम्माननं कृतवन्तः सेविका सम्मार्जनं करोति धार्मिकः सेवां करोति सः उत्प्रेक्षां करोति सः उपयोगं करोति ग्रामीणः सञ्चयं करोति एषः भोजनं करोति कृषकः सङ्ग्रहं करोति अध्यापकः भर्त्सनं करोति फॉर एग्जांपल नाउ दिस बालकः अध्ययनं करोति I want to change it to भूतकालं how do you change it to भूतकालं बालकः अध्ययनं
अध्ययनं
करोति स्म
कृतवान्
or करोति you see this is lakara kriya for this lakara kriya better to use what is lakara kriya भूतकालं for this
अकुर्वत्
akarot
करोतु
so balakah अध्ययनं akarot does it have effect on अध्ययनं does it change अध्ययनं
no
you have changed only karoti right but if you use a kriya which combines अध्ययनं and karoti then you have to use bhutakalam for that right not for karoti and here upadesham karoti you change it to bhutakalam munihi upadesham
अकरोत्
akarot so did you touch the kriya actual kriya for changing column
no
you are repeating so how here also karoti only you learned here also karoti only you learned right and this you know what you are doing this work you know
Yeah.
Ajjayanam, Upadesham, all these things we know, words we know. Add karoti, becomes kriya. And learn all lakaras, lang lakaram, lat lakaram, vartamana kalam, bhuta kalam, bhavishyat kalam for karoti. You don't need to learn for ajjayanam. But learn for karoti, that will do. It will be useful for ajjayanam, it will be useful for upadesham, it will be useful for vikranam, it will be useful for pakam. All these things, kriyas, it will be useful. But what kriya you have to learn? Karoti. One karoti sabdam if you learn, any kriya you can use easily. That doesn't mean you should use that only. For example, while you are talking in a stage, you could not remember the correct kriya, but you know what you want to say. You add karoti. Finish. It's very easy to speak and go ahead. So that is the advantage of this kriya, and this is called khanda kriya. Broken. Is broken. And this one, Ajjayanam, Upadesham, Vikranam, these words are bhavardhaka words. They are having bhavardhaka words. The verb is used in two parts. Bhavardhaka word plus action kriya. Kru plus do. Kru kriya you are added to that. Bhavardhaka shabdam plus kriya shabdam. So now if you see udaharana ajjayanam karoti. What is the meaning of ajjayanam karoti? Combined word. What is the combined for this? Adhite. If you want to use this adhite for bhutakalam, we don't know. If you want to use for Madhyama Purusha, it will be different. If you want to use for Uttama Purusha, it will be different. It will be used for Bhavachanam, it will be different. For Adhite. And for Upadeshati, it will be different. Vikrineti, different. So different tables you have to learn for all these things. But if you learn what Karoti table for all these things, then just break it and use it as a kriya. Karoti. Upadesham karoti, vikranam karoti. In bhutakalam, vartamana kalam, all kalas, all purushas you can use very easily. That is the advantage of this. So when bhavardhaka words are used, the karma padam which is in Dvitiya Vibhakti, along with combined kriya will shift to Sashti Vibhakti, and bhavardhaka word takes the Dvitiya Vibhakti. This point is to be noted. This is the next rule we should remember now. The next step. The next step what you should understand now is when you are doing Khanda Kriya, when you are using Khanda Kriya, how this sentence will be. Now let us see this sentence here. Balakaha pustakam adhite. This is the combined kriya. What is the karta here? Kriya here? Adhite. What is the kriya karta here? Speak.
Balakah.
Balakaha.
Balakaha.
Balakaha. What is the karma here?
Pustakam.
Pustakam. Which vibhakti it is?
Dvitiya.
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
But when you are using Khanda Kriya, that becomes Balakaha Pustakasya Ajjayanam Karoti.
Shashti Vibhakti.
Adhita has become Ajjayanam Karoti. Then what Ajjayanam is doing? There is a related word. Pustakam and Ajjayanam has become relation now. Pustakasya Ajjayanam. Earlier Pustakam Adhite. Now Pustakasya Ajjayanam Karoti now. So Pustakam has gone to which vibhakti now?
Shashti.
Shashti
Sashti
Vibhakti.
vibhakti. So the karma should go to Sashti vibhakti when you are using Khanda Kriya. That rule you remember. The karma sabdam which was used in Dvitiya Vibhakti in combined Kriya, when you are using Khanda Kriya with Karoti, then you have to use that sabdam, Dvitiya Vibhakti sabdam into Sashti Vibhakti sabdam. Balakaha pustakasya ajjayanam karoti. Similarly, Munihi Satyam Upadishati. Here Satyam Dvitiya Vibhakti. When you use Khanda Kriya, Munihi Satyasya Upadesham karoti. Satyasya Upadesham karoti. Upadesham is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Ajjayanam Dvitiya Vibhakti. But Satyam has gone to Sashti Vibhakti. Pustakam has gone to Sashti Vibhakti. Vikrayakaha phalam vikrinete. Vikrayakaha phalasya vikrayanam karoti. Vikrayakaha phalasya vikrayanam karoti. Phalam sabdam has gone to Sashti Vibhakti. Here Dvitiya Vibhakti. Karma padam Dvitiya Vibhakti, karma padam Sashti Vibhakti. What is the change between these two? Karma padam is in Dvitiya Vibhakti in first sentence. In second sentence, this karma padam is in Sashti Vibhakti. Kapi vanam nasayati. How to make it Khanda Kriya? Kapihi vanasya nasham karoti. Janaha sajjanan prasamsanti. Janaha sajjananam prasamsam karoti. Sajjanan Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. So you have to use Sashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam here. Sajjananam prasamsam kurvanti. Parikshakaha gunam parikshate. Parikshakaha gunasya pariksham karoti. Karyasilaha sadhanam upayukte. Karyasilaha sadhanasya upayogam karoti. Upayukte, how to break it? Upayogam karoti. Upayogam you know. Upayukte you may not be knowing. But upayogam you know. Word. Add karoti. Becomes kriya. Adhyapakaha vyakaranam adhyapayati. Adhyapaka vyakaranasya adhyapanam karoti. Saha dwaram pidadhati. Pidadhati means closing. Pidhanam is closing. Namvachakam. Saha dwarasya pidhanam karoti. Pidhanam Dvitiya Vibhakti. Dwarasya, dwaram has gone to Dvitiya Vibhakti dwarasya. Nirdhanaha dhanam sanchinoti. Sanchinoti means is bringing at one place. Not one place. Saving. Sanchana means saving. So, nirdhana dhanasya sanchayam karoti. Sa veenam abhyasyati. Sa veenayaha abhyasam karoti. The veena sabdam has gone to Sashti Vibhakti. Yaha, why yaha has come? Because this is Strilinga sabdam. Strilinga sabdam Sashti Vibhakti, yaha will come. Veena, veenayaha. Gauri, gauriyaha. Like that. कर्मकरः सस्यं सिञ्चति. Sinchati means bringing to what place? One place. Yes, bringing to at one place sanchayam. कर्मकरः सञ्चयस्य सेचनं करोति. सञ्चयस्य सेचनं करोति. सिञ्चति has become सेचनं करोति. सस्यं सस्यस्य has become सस्यस्य सेचनं करोति. नायकः जनान् प्रोत्साहयति. नायकः जनानां प्रोत्साहनं करोति. सभ्यः वादम् उपस्थापयति. सभ्यः वादस्य उपस्थापनं करोति. आपणिकः पुस्तकं विक्रीणीते. आपणिकः पुस्तकस्य विक्रयणं करोति. छात्रः नियमम् उल्लङ्घते. छात्रः नियमस्य उल्लङ्घनं करोति. दुष्टः सज्जनं वञ्चयते. दुष्टः सज्जनस्य वञ्चनां करोति. वञ्चना स्त्रीलिङ्ग शब्दं. You should understand when you break it up whether it becomes स्त्रीलिङ्ग शब्दं or नपुंसक शब्दं or पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दं. That you should understand. So here vanchana is स्त्रीलिङ्ग शब्दं. So you have to say vanchanaam karoti. Next, गृहस्य अतिथिम् अनुरुणद्धि. गृहस्य अतिथेः अनुरुणद्धि इकारान्त शब्दम्. इकारान्त शब्दं षष्ठी विभक्ति will be येः. अतिथेः अनुरोधं करोति. Clear up to this point? Clear? Any doubt? Because we are going to next step. Another higher level we are going. Now first we have understood how to break the kriya. Next we have understood that karma sabdam should go to षष्ठी vibhakti. And the kriya sabdam, the kriya base kriya is in ditya vibhakti. The kriya sabdam in namvachaka rupam ditya vibhakti. Till that time we have come now. Now we are going to the next step. It is clear up to this now. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Anybody is having?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now let us go to the next step. If you are using two kriyas now, say, just like tvantam and labantam, two kriyas you are saying, say, tubantam. That they are used for using two kriyas, right? Now here also you are using two kriyas, say. For that what you say? You can say anantaram. Patitva means what? Patanam anantaram, right? Patitva means patanam anantaram. Patitum means
To read.
patanat. Patitum means patanat purvam. Patanat purvam. Patitum means patanat purvam kim karoti. That is thing. Right? Before reading, what you are doing? Patitum. So, now we can use anantaram for patitva. Patana anantaram likhati. Patitva anantaram likhati, we don't write. Patana anantaram. Patanam anantaram likhati. Right? So, the patanam anantaram we should not say. Patanasya anantaram we have to say. Pustakasya adhyayanam. All these things, these are all the learned one. In our daily life, we use mostly bhavarthaka words with anantaram and purvam. We use anantaram and purvam after reading or before reading. Anantaram and purvam we will use. Anantaram means after, purvam means before. When you are using anantaram and purvam, how to use this shabdam which you are using till now? Saha pustakasya patanasya anantaram. Now we are patanam karoti. What we have learned earlier one? Saha pustakasya patanam karoti. Now what you are doing after patanam, you are doing snanam. What he is doing? After patanam, he is doing snanam. So to say after patanam, you have to say patanasya anantaram. Earlier what you used? Patanam karoti. Saha pustakasya patanam karoti. Pustakasya in षष्ठी vibhakti. Patanam is in ditya vibhakti. Karoti is kriya. Now what you are saying? You are doing snanam karoti. Next what you are doing now? Snanam karoti. Before snanam what you have done? Patanam. So after patanam you are doing snanam. Or this fellow is doing saha. Saha is doing snanam. So how to say this? What happened to the patana sabdam? Patana sabdam should go to षष्ठी. That also will go to षष्ठी. When you are using anantaram, this patanam also will go to षष्ठी. Ditya vibhakti sabdam patanam also will go to षष्ठी. Sah pustakasya patanasya anantaram snanam karoti. Saha, clear? Aర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
सः पुस्तकस्य पठनस्य अनन्तरं, because you are doing some other work after this. So this also should go to षष्ठी. पठनस्य अनन्तरं स्नानं करोति. Next, सः ग्रन्थस्य परिशीलनस्य अनन्तरं सेते. This स्नानं करोति is खण्डक्रिया. Sete is akhandakriya. Here you can write Sayanam Karoti, you can write, no problem. Just he is showing you. You can use any one of these things. That's what he is showing here, that's all. Otherwise, you can use Sayanam Karoti here. Sah Grandhasya Parisilanasya Anantara. Here earlier, Sah Grandhasya Parisilanam Karoti. First sentence. Afterwards, you are reading, you are sleeping. So, Sah Grandhasya Parisilanasya Anantaram Sayanam Karoti, Sete. Now, Sa Devasya Pujanat Purvam Snati. What she does? She takes bath. When she takes bath? Before doing puja. Before doing puja, that is Purvam. Purvam Snati. Kasmat Purvam. Pujanat Purvam. So Purvam Param when you use in Panchavibhakti, what are the rules? When you use Purvam Param, Panchavibhakti to be used for that Sabdam. Right? So, before puja, you are doing snanam. She is doing snanam. So, before, if you use Purvam, that puja Sabdam should go to Panchami Bhakti. Pujanat. Sa Devasya Pujana. Devasya is karma, earlier karma. Sa Devam Pujayati. First sentence. First sentence. What is the first sentence? Let us come from first sentence. Sa Devam Pujayati. Devam Ditya Bhakti. Devam Pujayati. Now we have used Khandakriya. Sa Devasya Pujanam Karoti. Now, before doing pujana, you are doing snanam. She is doing snanam. So to say that pujanam sabdam should go to Panchami. Sa devasya pujanat purvam snati. Snanam karoti. Or snati. Both you can use. Snanam karoti also you can use. Snati also you can use. Sajjanaha Nitehe upadeshat purvam acharati. Sajjanaha Niti. When you are preaching somebody, you have to practice first. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa did the same thing. One lady came to him and asked him, my son is eating a lot of good. Can you ask him to stop it? Then what Ramakrishna Paramahamsa told? You come after 2 days. So after 2 days he came. She came again. And then he said, come on boy, you don't eat it. Good. Why he has taken 2 days to tell that? Because he was also interested in eating good. First he stopped eating good first. Then he told after 2 days, come on, don't eat. Okay. So, Sajjanalu, what they do? They practice first. Without practicing, they don't say. Sajjanaha nitehe. Niti shabdam sashti vibhakti. Nitehe upadeshat. Upadeshat panchami vibhakti. Upadeshat purvam. Sajjanaha nitim upadishati. Nitim ditya vibhakti. Then tadanantaram nitehe upadeshanam karoti. Khandakriya. Upadesham karoti. Next one, Sajjanaha nitehe upadeshat purvam acharati. Karmakari patrasya prakshalanat purvam jalam sangruhanati. She brings water before cleaning the vessels. First sentence, what is the first sentence? Karmakari patram prakshalayati. First sentence. The second sentence, Karmakari Patrasya prakshalanam karoti. Khandakriya. Then Karmakari Patrasya prakshalanat purvam jalam sangrahanati. Next kriya. Next vakya. Next. Karyakramasya sapta samaptehe anantaram janaha gacchanti. समाप्तेः अनन्तरं. Samapti Sabda has gone to Sashti. Karyakramasya Sashti. Janaha Karta. Janaha, it can come in the beginning also, in between also. Janaha Karyakramasya Samaptehe Anantaram Gachanti. Vrushtehe Agamanat Purvam Tam Graham Gacha. Missing here. Number is missing. Vrushtehe Agamanat Purvam Tam Graham Gacha. Here, this Agamanat, Vrushtehe, Vrishti Sabna, Tvam Gacha. Tvam Gacha. Tvam is Karta, Gacha is Kriya. Tvam Gacha. Tvam Graham Gacha. Okay. Tvam Vrishtim. Okay, let us go. Not going details here. Vrishhtehe Agamanat Purvam Tvam Graham Gacha. The first one is Tvam Tvam Graham Gacha. It is second sentence. Vrishtihi Agamanam Karoti. Vrishtihi Agamanam Karoti. Vrishhtehe Agamanat Purvam. Vrishtihi Agamno Agamishyati. Agamishyati. Vrishtihi Agamishyati. That Vrishti Shabdam has become Vrishhtehe. Vrishhtehe Agamanat Purvam. Agamana Shabdam has gone to Panchami Vibhakti. Purvam, when you get Purvam, this Agamanat becomes. Then Tvam is Karta for Gacha. Tvam Graham Gacha. Because this is different from this two different Vakyas. In this case also, when you are using Purvam, this Agamana Shabdam goes to Panchami. So, Lekhanyaha Krayanasya Anantaram Dhanam Dehi. Tvam Lekhanyaha Krayanasya Anantaram Dhanam Dehi. Anantaram before is Krayanasya. Phalasya Kadanat Purvam Hastam Shalaya. Devasya Pradhanaya Anantaram Saha Gatavan. All these things are used in where Anantaram comes Sashti Vibhakti, Purvam comes Panchami Vibhakti. Okay?
Sir, a
Now,
small doubt, sir. Are these rules applied for Kanda Kriya only or other Kriyas also? Because we are saying Sa Devasya Pujanat Purvam Snati or Snanam Karoti. So, for any type of Kriya, we can use these rules.
any type of Kriya you can use.
Not only Kanda Kriya.
Not only Kanda Kriya. Both, he has applied both and shown you, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
see, we are using Snati.
Okay.
We are using Snanam Karoti.
Snanam Karoti. Both types you can use.
Both you can use.
Okay.
Both he is showing here. Right?
Okay, sir.
So, to stop here. It's time over, I hope. We'll stop here. Lekhana Niyamas we'll learn later. Next class. How to write when there is Anuswaram. How to write the next word. Then Shabda Parichay. It's very simple. This, after doing this, we'll go to next class, 14th lesson. This 13th lesson, right? We'll go to 14th lesson after completing these two. Another 5 minutes it will take only actually. But anyway, we'll do it next class. Tomorrow. We'll go to tomorrow and do it. We'll send the 14th lesson also today. You can read that and come. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhanattu Sah Viryankara Vavahai Tejasvina Avadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Satyam Vada Dharmanchara Sarve Jana Sukino Bhavantu Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Guru Satan Sri Krishna Arpanamastu Idannom Namaskaraha Naha Swaha Milama. Let us meet tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you very much, Prabhakar Rao garu, for the nice session today. I request Narasimhamurthy garu to do the pradhana, please.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्य पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितो ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः अपुत्राः पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अधनाः सधनाः सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदां शतम् सत्यं वद धर्मं चर स्वाध्यायान् मा प्रमदः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सर्वे जना सुखिनो भवन्तु स्वस्ति
సర్వే జనా సుఖినో భవంతు. స్వస్తి. ధన్యవాదాలు నరసింహమూర్తి గారు. నౌ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ వెంకటనారాయణ గారు, వి ఆల్ రైజ్ ఫర్ ద నేషనల్ యాంథమ్.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद
जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెంకటనారాయణ గారు. Now the class is over. Still we have a few minutes time. In case anyone has any question to ask, you can ask now. Even regarding the session. Hope you all know that we are coming to the end of the session, end of the course, and you have the final exam dates are there in the calendar. Please see the calendar. Okay, in case there are no more
Sir.
questions. Yeah.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
We missed a session Agnihotram, about Agnihotram.
Yeah.
Do we have any information in case we don't have that section, at least to
No,
read
no.
and understand?
We have a class. I mean, this class is
Oh,
there in the next week.
Oh, okay.
Next week we'll have the class. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Anything else? Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah. A request again. Please do the pradhana. And today's recording you can hear again so that you will understand in case there are any mistakes and improve on it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much and have a nice day and enjoy the Sankranti celebrations.
Happy Sankranti to all.
Yeah.
Happy Pongal.
Do we have a class tomorrow, sir?
Tomorrow there is a class.
Yeah. Okay.
So what are the holidays?
I think 14th, 15th are holidays.
14th, 15th. Okay. July 12th. 13.
Okay.
13 is there. 13 class is there. 14, 15 not there. 16 is there again.
Yes.
So my class next Friday class is there again, right?
I think there is a class. I'll have to check the calendar again because
Yes, yes, it is there on Friday.
Friday is there.
it's there on
Thank you.
Friday. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Enjoy. Babugar, you want to say something? Okay.